The reason why your fish would not respond to feed anymore after stressing them like this, maybe on your harvest day, you sell some and some are still left, and the remaining ones that are left, they fail to eat. This is the reason why they would not eat. Always know that any day you are harvesting your fish, any day you are selling your fish, you are stressing them. So once you are done selling your fish, once you are done stressing them like this, you are not to introduce feed to them immediately. You need to give them enough time for them to come back, for them to get themselves back. These ones that I'm stressing them like this, once I'm done picking out the ones I want to pick, I will pump in water back and I will leave them. This is around 9 a.m. in the morning. I will leave them till maybe evening, before even if possible till tomorrow morning, before I introduce feed back to them. So that is the major reason why your fish would not respond to feed. They need enough time to get back themselves because of this stress you've put them through. So for many of us that have been asking me, I just sold some sets of fish. Then I try feeding the ones left. They are not feeding. Oga, madam, give them time for them to come back. Thank you. On the 19th day of January 2025, I was at Ogun State for 1 day physical consultation on catfish farming. So the owner of this land is about to transform this space into a catfish farm. So I was called in for 1 day consultation. I was called in to come check up on the land to see if it's a very good location to site a catfish farm. I always advise us when we are about to start this business, make sure you are siting your catfish farm at a very good location. And aside from location, there are other things you also need to consider before siting your catfish farm at any location. So I've done what I know how to do best here, and I've given the owner of the land a feedback on this visit. Thank you.
You can feed your fish with earthworm. Ten alternative feeds you can feed your catfish. Catfish are generally omnivorous in nature. That is, they can feed on both plants and animals. They can as well feed on our commercial feeds. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with us 10 alternative feeds you can always introduce to your fish. But note, these are just supplementary feeds. You cannot depend on this if you are in for the business commercially. So number one, you can feed your fish with earthworm. You can introduce earthworms to your fish once in a while. Also, you can give your fish maggot. Maggot can be gotten from the black soldier fly larva. You can extract your maggot from there. You can also introduce the blood meal to your fish once in a while. You can visit any slaughterhouse close to you, anywhere they slaughter cow or rams, and get blood meal from them. Also, you can give your fish offals. Fish offals like fish intestines. You can introduce fish intestines to your fish once in a while as well. And lastly, you can give your fish poultry offals as well. Poultry offals like chicken intestines can be given to your fish. Poultry offals like chicken intestines can be introduced to your fish once in a while as well. Then going to the plant-based feeds as well, you can feed your fish with duck wheat. You can give your fish duck wheat once in a while as well. And also you can give your fish water hyacinth. You can give your fish water hyacinth, but it is best chopped into smaller pieces, for proper digestion for your fish. You can give your fish water hyacinth as well. Also, you can give your fish algae. Algae are these greenish stuff that build up in your pond. Your fish feeds from this naturally when they are hungry, you understand? For many of us that have our ponds under direct sunlight, you would notice these algae thing that built up in your pond. So your fish can also feed on algae as well. Also, they can feed on rice, on a rice bran. These are byproduct of rice milling, very very high in carbohydrates. You understand? You can feed your fish with rice bran as well. And lastly, you can feed your fish with soya bean. You can feed your fish with soya bean. Like I said, you can't depend on this for 5 6 months to feed your fish. If you are in for the business commercially, if you want to make money from fish farming, don't depend only on all this. These are just to make up for a deficit between the availability of a normal catfish feed. They are not to be dependent on if you are in for this business commercially. So that will be that for today. Remember to share this video. Do enjoy the rest of the day. Thank you.